Account Administrator, how to add and delete users and control views. Every EMSL customer ID will be assigned an account administrator. This administrator can view all account users, add and delete users, and customize views for each account holder. There are many variations of the customized views, including reports, expanded reports and chain of custodies, invoices, statements, and price list. You can select any or all of these in combination for each of your users. As an account administrator, you have options under Preferences at the top. You can view the administrators, or you can edit users by clicking here. Select the user for which you'd like to edit or delete their profile. These are the users assigned for the specific account number up the upper right-hand corner. Select the user for which you'd like to edit their preferences or delete their profile. You can see they've been given access to this account. It's okay if the other information is not filled in, as long as the company name and their name is listed. For example, we'll give this user access to pricing. To save, click Update. From here, to delete any user, simply click the Delete button and click OK, and that will delete their profile. You can also disable a user if for some reason they're leaving for a temporary amount of time but will be returning. Disable, click into their profile, and then click the box that says Disable the user, and then click Update. It'll be reflected that yes, this user has been disabled. To add a new user, click here, and then enter the requested information. You can select if the user account should just be a client or a client administrator. If you'd like to give them administrator rights, select Administrator. You'll enter the company name and first and last name, and then assign whichever options you'd like. The client administrator automatically has access to all of these below. However, a client, you can assign specific access rights. For example, let's say this is an accounting user. So we'll call this person, assign a password, and then click Add. This person will then show up as a client with access rights, for which you can edit at any time in the future. We ask that all EMSL LABConnect users do their due diligence and ensure that there are no users who have left the company that still may have access to their LABConnect account. If you're not sure who your account administrator is, or you'd like account administrator rights, please reach out to your EMSL account manager or customer service at emsl.com.